Well, it is so wonderful to be back at the Wooden Shoe Tulip Festival. They are in 50% color this weekend. I'm with Karen. It is just gorgeous. Oh, beautiful.
It's, you know what, we're at that stage where I tell people it's like any nice day is a great day out of here. And when we talk 50% bloom, you have to understand there will never be 100% bloom because our tulips, we have early, mid, and late season tulips. So full bloom, when we consider full bloom, is when the majority of our late season blooms start to come on, our mid-season blooms are in wonderful color, and the early ones, well, they're beginning to look pretty sad.
Of course, of course. But that is just so wonderful, and really we can check those field reports to find out where you are before we come out and make our reservation.
Definitely. View the field report. We post pictures almost every day of what the field is looking at. Now the field behind us right now is very much 50% plus in bloom. But if you're looking down the rows, an interesting phenomena is the south side of the row here is in bloom and the north side isn't quite in bloom yet. And it's because the south side is warmer, the north side is cooler. So in your yard, you can see these things happening. Depending on your location, how soon or how quick they bloom. That changes bloom time.
It is. And so talking about our yards, you can actually order your bulbs for pickup this fall.
Yes, you can. You can either pick up a catalog here, or you can order online. Just go to woodenshoe.com. We also recommend you do go to woodenshoe.com to order your tickets. Follow the link because we are doing time ticketing this year.
Ah, okay.
So just as a reminder.
Right. And then when you come, you want to enjoy it with your family and friends. Bring your camera. And if you have any questions, you find the people in these vests.
Lovely vest here. We're out here. We're available to answer your questions. You know, whatever questions you have, whether it's about pots, cut flowers, or ordering bulbs.
Excellent.
See us, we'll be glad to help you out.
Oh, that is wonderful. And so we do have some more questions, and we're going to go talk to Cassidy about what else is going on at the festival. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So now we have more information from Cassidy, and you know, Cassidy, people think of, oh, it's all the lovely tulips, but there's more for the festival than that.
Yeah, so we have a ton of weekend and weekday activities, all of which can be found on our website under Tulip Fest events. One of the biggest things that people get really excited about is our hot air balloons. There are a couple of limitations though when it comes to the hot air balloons. They only operate Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and they are completely weather dependent. So if there is even a hint of wind, they're not going to be able to operate. So we recommend that you check the weather and show up as early as possible right at opening to best ensure a place in line for your hot air balloon ride.
But there is so other things. There's food vendors and there's activities for kids and for families, and really there's just a lot to do here.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got amazing food vendors. We've got a lot of craft vendors. We've got a couple rides that are able to be easily sanitized, so there's lots to do while you're here.
Yes, and I noticed that people are really respectful and everyone has their masks on and everybody's just like paying attention to all the rules.
Yeah, absolutely. We really wouldn't be able to have this festival if people weren't complying, and they've been doing a really amazing job. The one thing that we do ask, and I know it's really hard because it's so exciting when you see these gorgeous flowers, but we ask that you don't walk through the rows or step over the rows. This is not only to preserve our flowers so that everybody can enjoy them for the entire season, but we just want to keep everybody safe as those rows are pretty treacherous at times. So we thank you all for respecting our flowers and respecting each other.
So Cassidy, with the timed entry ticket, you get to come to the festival, but what else does it do?
So we have, not only do you get to come and see the flowers, but we do also have our Red Barn hemp products. We have an amazing gift shop. We have child and adult beverages, so our winery, and yeah, just lots of amazing fun stuff to do. Cut flowers, potted flowers, bulbs are ready to be ordered as well.
Well, it's just lovely out here, and we always have such a great time. And so where can people go to get all the information?
Yeah, just go to woodenshoe.com. You can get all the information about weekend and weekday activities, as well as purchasing tickets, since we are doing time ticketing online only this year.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So really, it's just a lovely time to come out. Bring your camera, bring all your families and friends. Make sure you get your time ticket entry, but come out to Wooden Shoe Tulip Festival and enjoy it this year. Thanks so much.
Thank you.